Ever struggled with cleaning your MacBook keyboard without accidentally pressing keys? We've got you covered. In this video, you'll learn how to easily clean your MacBook keyboard using the KeyboardCleanTool app. First, download the KeyboardCleanTool app. Open your web browser, search for KeyboardCleanTool download, and click on the official website. After downloading, open the file and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Launch the KeyboardCleanTool app. You'll see a simple window with a Lock Keyboard button. Click the Click to Start Cleaning Mode button to temporarily disable your keyboard. Now, use a soft microfiber cloth and gentle cleaning solution to wipe away dust and fingerprints. Avoid using too much liquid. Once you're done, click the Unlock Keyboard button to re-enable your keyboard. And that's it. Your MacBook keyboard is clean and safe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips.